Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a pie on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the exact clicks you need to make, along with helpful context, so you know what to expect. A quick note before we begin. Deleting a pie removes that specific pie from your account. If the pie contains investments, Trading 212 may prompt you with warnings or details about what happens to the holdings. Read those prompts carefully and proceed only if you're sure. Start by opening the Trading 212 web app in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and that you're in the correct account type where the pie lives, such as your Invest or ISA account. Once the platform loads, look along the top of the interface for the pie icon. It typically looks like a small pie chart and opens the area where your pies are managed. With the pie section open, select the pie you want to remove. In this guide, you'll see it labeled as sample pie, but you should choose the specific pie you intend to delete. Selecting it opens the pie's dashboard so you can view its details, targets, and any recent activity. This is a good moment to confirm you've chosen the right pie and to consider whether you need to export or note anything about its composition before it's removed. On the pies page, locate the three dots menu, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. It's usually in the upper corner of the pie view. Click that to reveal the available actions for this pie. From the menu that appears, choose Delete. Trading 212 will typically trigger a confirmation step here because deletion is a significant action. Take a moment to read any on-screen information so you understand the impact, including what happens to scheduled auto-invests or deposits tied to this pie. To finalize, confirm by selecting Delete Pie on the confirmation screen. This is the point at which the removal is applied. After confirming, the pie should disappear from your list. Give the platform a moment to update, then return to your pies overview to verify it's no longer visible. That's it. The pie has been deleted. If you had regular contributions or auto-invest turned on for this pie, they should be canceled as part of the process. It's a good practice to review your portfolio and available cash afterward to ensure everything looks as expected. If anything seems unclear, check the help resources within the platform or contact their support for guidance specific to your account.